Hey guys, this is Fahad here, and in this video I'm gonna show you like how does it feel to have ABS fitted in your bike. So as the title says, how does ABS feel while riding? So I'm gonna go out in an open ground and do some tests to see how ABS works. ABS stands for anti-lock braking system. So what it usually does is prevents the wheel from locking up and losing your control. It gives you a type of control over your bike. It allows you to steer while braking, and this usually comes handy during emergency braking. As on this RS 200 we have single channel ABS that is fitted on the front side of the bike, on the front tire. Yes, I have my camera set over there, so I'll be going at a speed of around 15 to 20 km per hour, and I'll show you how does it feel while braking over here, and practically how does it look like when you're braking. So let's go. Okay, let's go for another trial. As you can see, we feel small jerks over here while braking. It's like when you press it like this, so you feel like a small jerks, a little negligible jerks. And yes, you get a confidence that your tire or your bike's tire won't lock up and you won't fall skidding. As you have seen, the ABS worked really well in such a situation. It's pretty sure that you can save yourself from a terrific accident while riding. If you find this video productive, make sure you like the video and do share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe it to with the latest upcoming videos on my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned and peace out.